Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. Today I'm here to share my own decorations at my home, and these are few very simple things I just used, few things I made it and few things I purchased it. Everything I'm gonna share with you guys, and this is a pretty much beautiful greenery look I really got in front of my house. I just hanging pots which I really purchased through online only. For this hanging pots with the greenery look, it was awesome. And this is the second one, which is the cups hanger. It is available in Amazon, and this I bought it from Hyderabad, as I already explained in my kitchen tour. Please go ahead and watch who have not watched my kitchen tour part 1 and part 2. And this is a cup hanger, really gives a great look to my kitchen. So this is hand wash liquid dispenser wall mounted one, which is very easy and comfortable to wash our hands near the sink. So we just placed over there, and it is giving a great look to our kitchen as well. And the next that there is a pot, which is a ceramic one, yellow one, and with the artificial leaves. This is also with yellow and green combination, really gives a great look to my kitchen. And this is a copper pot, really we drink water from that is really healthy also. And few plates I purchased through Big Bazaar, I've already told. Please go ahead and watch in my channel, it is there. And these are hot pads, it is looking so colorful, flowers it is really looking. And these are not flowers, these are hot pads. And this is the fruit corner where we store all the fruits, and it is very easy to grab, and it looks even organized, and it will give a colorful look to our kitchen because we kept in the kitchen corner itself. So it is giving a great look to our kitchen. And it's not how big the house is, it's how happy the home is. There is no place like home, really. I feel our home should inspire us to go out into the world to do great things and then welcome us back for refreshment. And for a house to be successful, this object in it must communicate with one another, respond and balance one another. This is the mug, we definitely use it frequently, so I thought of making something with this. So I just filled with the water and kept few, it is a real leaves, not the artificial one, and we keep changing the water. Maybe this also I'll do it very frequently when I keep changing the decorating things also. This is our dining area, so I just kept of colorful bottles, which is of glass one, so it really gives a great look to it. And few lights, I just LED lights, which is really helpful for me when the power is not there. This will work with the batteries, so even there is no power, this is very helpful for me nowadays when there is no power in kitchen. So definitely I'll on those LED lights, so definitely I will not feel that I don't have a power at my home. So it is a great idea, I feel. If you want, please you also buy it. Definitely I have given the link in the description box with this product I've already shown in my videos. And this is the copper one, which is really sorry, it is a brass one, where we bought this stand to have a water bowl with the flowers, so but still we are not using it. So I thought of making something with this. So what I did, I just separated all the space and just kept two vases next to next. So it is looking great after keeping this. It is looking like antique piece in our living room. So and these are the flowers, it is really almost 5 to 6 years over, I think. So even that I've used in this way. So this is how the stand looks, guys, have a look. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Luxury to me is not about buying expensive things, guys. It's about living in a way where you appreciate the things. We shape our home and then our home shapes us. I'm going to make everything around me beautiful. That will be my life. I would like keep changing my home decor items every time. I don't keep the same because I'll be getting bored watching the same thing. The simple things in life seems more meaningful now. Little things means a lot. So this is what, and here what I made, the flowers I just arranged in the water. The way it is looking, it is awesome, and the fragrance also, it is coming like anything. And this is a natural look you'll be getting if you do so. Have one bowl and fill up with the water and have spread some flowers on top of that. And this is an entrance who are really watching me for the first time. So guys, you might be seeing for the first time, but who are really my subscribers, definitely they might have seen this. But still I wanted to add up with this decorating videos. And this is actually decorated in front of my house, just an entrance, and this is giving a great look to my entrance. And this is our entrance, which is of a door which I have decorated with the artificial flowers and with the pink with green combination I made. Without green, definitely I really won't feel like decorating my home. Everywhere if you see, the green color will be highlighting in my home. So this is a different way of looking, which are hanging flowers, and even those are artificial and really given a great look to my entrance. This is a bronze plate, and I just kept with pink stones which is available in the nurseries, and then I've kept artificial flowers to decorate that particular plate, and it is giving a great look. Seriously, I really love to watch whenever I feel like watching, and the way it has turned out was so beautiful, guys. The previous brass plate and the next to that I've kept this particular brass stand only, so it is giving a great look. Actually, both if we keep together, it really gives an antique look. And next, this is my sofa corner where I've kept decorated with a colorful pillow and with the indoor plant stand. These stands are really giving a great views to my channel, and guys who have not watched, please go ahead and watch. This is really a great product to decorate your indoor plants to your house, and it is really very comfortable, and you can have a one more pot inside that which will really fit inside that and really gives a great look, greenery look to your house. So guys, you really enjoyed watching all these decorating items. With few are from my ideas, I just made it, and few are just purchased as I told you. And really, who are watching me for the first time, you know right what to do. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notification, and share this video or like this video. And nowadays I'm uploading my videos in 5 p.m. evening, so don't miss my videos, guys. Don't skip in between. Also, please watch full videos. And so I hope you really enjoyed watching these decor items. And so what for you're waiting for? Let's catch up with a new video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.